Planning to explore the beautiful city of Prague, but don't want to be burdened by your luggage? RadicalStorage offers a simple and reliable solution to store your bags while you enjoy everything the city has to offer. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Prague using RadicalStorage, a trusted platform that partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes to offer secure, fully insured storage. To ensure you're using the official RadicalStorage website, click the link provided in the video description. Once you're on the site, finding a luggage storage point in Prague is easy. Just type Prague into the search bar, and you'll get a list of convenient storage locations across the city, from the historic Old Town to areas near major transport hubs. Choose the location that suits your itinerary best, and select the times for drop-off and pickup. RadicalStorage ensures secure online payments, so you can complete your booking with confidence. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to your chosen storage point. When you arrive, simply present your reference number to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage, allowing you to explore Prague without any worries. Enjoy your time in the city knowing your belongings are safe with RadicalStorage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.